So Crown and Lux advertised that they were doing bonnet repairs for the elastic at today's upmarket, and I have several of her bonnets, and quite a few of them are, you know, a few years old. So let's go check out upmarket and get my bonnets fixed. Let's see. Hello, lovely ladies. Hello. Of course, you're in matching tops. I love it.
Where your bonnets to fix? Bonnets are old.
Old. That bonnet is when Crown and Lux was crowning glory.
Like 2017 or something.
I don't even think I was married yet. No, I wasn't.
Oh my god.
Right, so the lovely Miss Alicia is set up here to do more repairs. So in the interim, I'm going to get a thing for a friend who might see this video, but I shall not say it, and get something to eat because man hungry. Adriana, Best Accessories, and I bought this gift for somebody very special. Thank you. Can't wait for you to see it here. This is from Made for You. Her caftan, that is, oh my god, so pretty. Aviaire, I'm already topped up on my Aviaire, but this and their body oils are so good. Clearly, I'm having an issue when it comes to loving off on leather sandals. Clearly, these are gorgeous. It's a good question. I would like a tamarind juice, please. Thank you. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Nicer than the regular.
Those are anklets?
Yeah. Nice natural color.
So many things. So many hair things. Okay.
If she has somebody who doesn't have
Immortal beauty strikes again.
You can still get
Oh. So gorgeous. I would have gotten a couple pairs of earrings from you at an upmarket, I think it was last year.
Okay.
What's new? I love this candle, by the way.
Thank you. Smell, tell me what you think.
That smells sexy.
Yes. So this is Harmony Breeze from our Tranquil Aura collection.
Okay.
It's a spiced honey with taco bean, bergamot, and tobacco.
Even come up with how do you even come up with those? And sometimes it's well, that's good. Flavor some more.
Certainly. We have original chocolate, coffee caramel, Irish peanut cream, coconut, strawberry cheesecake, tennis cheesecake, lady in red, which is a red velvet flavor, and the brown there, which is a black cake flavor.
Let me try that black cake flavor. So we're supporting young people in business. This is the Great Gourmet Liquors. Yo, take a look at that. A black cake puncher creme. Alright. Black cake puncher creme. That is amazing. That is really... So of course I got the bottle of black cake puncher creme. Of course I did.
Vlogging.
Of course I'm vlogging. We bought the VLOGMAS.
I'm proud of you.
Yo, we being consistent. I'm trying my best.
As
Alright, so I'm back home and I didn't go to shop. I really just went because I needed to get my bonnets fixed. Tell me you love Crown and Lux without telling me you love Crown and Lux. So let me find where's the original? This is the first bonnet I ever had from Crown and Lux. Back then, the name was Crowning Glory, but the name was already taken when she went to register the business, so she changed it to Crown and Lux. And all of the others, some of them are regular elastic, some of them are the drawstring. If you're hearing any strange noise, that helps. So yeah, I got all of mine fixed. So these will go on to continue being worn for a very long time. Not gonna lie, I was very tempted to buy that pair of sandals from Exquisite Islander because they had my size but in other colors. But I said, you know what, you just bought another sandals like 2 days ago. I need to be a little more responsible. So yeah, I didn't get too many things, but I got my bonnets fixed, and that was most important for me. So the plan now is to get some work done, finish off the rest of the clothes that I was folding up and putting away before I headed to UPMARKET, and just prepare myself mentally for the week ahead while the hubs put on a good cook Sunday lunch in the kitchen. So the vlogmas thing continues. Y'all don't forget to enter the giveaway. Don't forget to enter. And thanks for watching. Till next time, take care and God bless. Bye.